Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be testing out a few new Fenty products. This video is going to be short and sweet. I just kind of wanted to demo and show you guys my new picks from Fenty since I am an advocate for Fenty. I love them so much. Well, the brand so much. Yeah, so if you want to see these new Fenty products, make sure you keep on watching. Okay, so first things first, I'm the realist. I'm just kidding. First things first, I picked up influencers sent me the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara to review, and the packaging looks like this here. And then here we have the packaging for the actual mascara. And when you open it, apparently it's like a duo type of brush where, if you can see, it's kind of flat on this side. And then when you turn it, it's like a little more fluffy. I really can't tell unless I'm looking very closely at it. So I don't know how that would work in theory. Well, actually you can't tell, but you got to pay precise attention to notice that. And I'm just going to put them on my bottom lashes since my top lashes are pretty much done and accounted for. You know what I think is like good about this mascara, just from first impressions, is the brush, because it enables you to get all those little baby lashes on the waterline without like accidentally getting mascara on your face, because that has to be like top two, and it ain't number two. The most annoying thing that can happen when you're doing your makeup is mascara just spreading all over the place, especially on the bottom lashes, because it happens to the best of us. So I think this brush is what's gonna make this something that like makes people want to get it, because just these days a lot of brands have not been coming out with that skinny wand. All right, moving on here, I am going to whip out the new Fenty Beauty What It Do boo. It's just what it do, but I gotta say boo at the end. Makeup refreshing spray. Now this does not appear to be a setting spray, just because initially it says refreshing spray, but I'm gonna read it. Directions. No. Prep skin, refreshes makeup. Instant hydration, fix on the fly. Prepare la peu. I don't know what that means. Shake well, close eyes, and miss 10 to 12 inches from the face. Or onto a precision makeup sponge. Use before, during, or after makeup application. Do not inhale. Okay, so yeah, it doesn't say that this is gonna make your makeup last all day, or make you matte. It really doesn't even say it makes you dewy. It's just called What It Do, D-U-W, but it doesn't say it's dewy. So I don't really know what expectations I have for this. I might have just spent 30 bucks on primer water, which, reading is fundamental. But whatever. Do you need this? If it ain't a setting spray and it's just refreshing water, absolutely not. This is definitely something you buy because you like the brand, for the luxury of having like a more expensive primer water, which the ingredients have more stuff than water in it. So it's not just water, but yeah. You don't need this off the bat, and I ain't even reviewed it. Ooh, the mister on this. Oh my god, the mister on this is amazing. And it smells so good. Yeah, this is for the bougie experience. I'm going to go ahead and let you know now. No cap, this is for the bougie experience. It smells good. The mist on it is so fine. It's almost like the the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist by Glow Recipe. It's that mist. Oh, yes. Like I said, I don't know about it being any type of matte or dewy formula because it doesn't say that it is. So I'm just gonna move on to the next item and see if, you know, once it sets in, how I feel, like what kind of finish it gives. I don't know yet because it's still wet. The last thing here that I have is the Fenty Beauty Glass Slipper Gloss Bomb. And that just looks so Cinderella-y, like, oh my god. Now, I was thinking that I would put on a lip color before, but I think that just defeats the purpose. Like, I mean, maybe it doesn't because it's a clear gloss, and I could do probably both. But since I just bought it, I don't want the lip applicator to get dirty, so we just gonna have to go with a bare lip for right now. Oh, yes. This looks like it's gonna be bomb, and I'm hoping it's the same formula. We shall see. It smells like the formula from the first gloss bomb. Yeah, the first gloss bomb. It's the same smell, so I'm guessing it's the same formula. We're gonna go 2000 on them and add another layer because we want this lip gloss to be popping. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And I already got it dirty still. This is gonna be a summertime ting for me, okay? No color, just bare lips. I'm not ashamed of my lip colors, honey. Colors, because there are two colors. All of these products, nothing new, nothing revolutionary. It's just stuff to kind of complete the Fenty brand. Like, all brands that are not new have a full long running list of inventory and different products and different foundations and what have you. So these are not products that are like, you know, that are coming out with to be revolutionary. It's just kind of to complete the brand. So if you have a collection and you don't feel like you need this stuff, don't get it, because these are not what I would consider like makeup must-haves for the new releases. Like, these are things you solely get because you like Fenty or you're running out of your clear lip gloss, so you want to try this one. This is not something you get when you got a whole bunch of makeup hints behind me like me. But with that being said, if you are looking into these specific items, that being the mascara, the gloss bomb, and the setting spray, which update, is natural finish. It's not dewy or matte. It's just pretty neutral. If you're in the market for these products, I don't think, off of my initial impressions, because things can change, but just based off of doing this video, I do not think that this will be something that would be a waste of money if you already want it. Like, you're not wasting your money by getting it. These seem to be very good products. The Gloss Bomb is the same formula as all of the other ones, so if you like the other Gloss Bombs, go ahead, pick it up, sis. Like, it's nice, and look at this. It's popping. The mascara, just look at my lower lashes. Like, before and after, period. It looks way better, but, you know, it's mascara. It's doing what it's supposed to do. And the setting spray is just, it's bougie water. It's bougie setting water because it has no claims for mattifying, dewy setting. So, with that, just do you, sis. If you want it, pick it up. I don't think it's a waste of money. I am going to get good use out of this. And yeah, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not. And I will be back with more videos. Just stay tuned. And I'll see you in the next one.